How to switch different workspaces in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by WScurrent system variable. In AutoCAD currently following workspaces are supported. 1. Drafting and annotation. 2. 3D basics. 3. 3D modeling. WScurrent variable can display the name of currently active workspace. And by the help of WScurrent variable you can switch the workspace name to the specified one. You can also switch workspaces through Settings button on status bar. See how it works. Run WScurrent command. You can see here it's showing Drafting and Annotation currently active workspace name. Now type 3D basics. Press enter. You can see that the workspace is now changed to 3D basics. Run WScurrent command. You can see here it's showing 3D basics currently active workspace name. Now type 3D modeling and press enter. You can see that the workspace is now changed to 3D modeling. Run WScurrent command. Now type Drafting and Annotation and press enter. You can see that the workspace is now changed to Drafting and Annotation. Similarly, you can change it through status bar. Select 3D basics. The workspace is now changed to 3D basics. Select 3D modeling. The workspace is now changed to 3D modeling. Select Drafting and Annotation. The workspace is now changed to Drafting and Annotation. Thanks for watching.